The eco-worthy 48-volt 100Ah LiFePO4 battery is equipped with advanced closed-loop communication capabilities, allowing for seamless integration with leading solar inverters for intelligent operation. Its space-saving design is perfect for server racks and can be mounted vertically, making it a flexible option for maximizing storage efficiency. Certified to the highest safety standards, this battery features a robust metal shell and a comprehensive battery management system, ensuring your home and family are well protected. Built with high-quality LiFePO4 cells, the battery delivers reliable power with an impressive cycle life and comes with a 10-year warranty for added peace of mind. Installation is straightforward with the included plug-and-play kit, which provides all necessary accessories for a hassle-free setup. The manufacturer offers excellent customer support, promising assistance within 24 hours and a generous return policy for any verified technical issues.